Welcome to the latest update program. The topic of discussion is Parakram Divas 2023. Adi Shaurya Parv Parakram ka event will be held in Jawaharlal Nehru Stadium in New Delhi on 23 and 24 January 2023. This event will mark the 126th birth anniversary of Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, celebrated as Parakram Divas. It is aimed at throwing light on the contribution of Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose to our freedom struggle. Significantly, the Government of India is celebrating the Jayanti of Subhash Chandra Bose, that is 23rd January, as Parakram Divas since 2021. Now, information about Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. Subhash Chandra Bose or Netaji was born on January 23, 1897 in Cuttack, Odisha, now Odisha. He was an Indian revolutionary prominent in the independence movement against British rule of India. In 1920, he passed the civil service examination, but in April 1921, he resigned from his candidacy. He joined the non-cooperation movement started by Gandhiji. He was advised by Gandhiji to work under Chittaranjan Das, a politician in Bengal. He became a youth educator, journalist, and commandant of the Bengal Congress Volunteers. When the civil disobedience movement was started in 1930, Bose was already in detention for his associations with the Bengal Volunteers. He was elected mayor of Calcutta while in prison. He proclaimed the establishment of a provisional independent Indian government and the Indian National Army, that is Azad Hind Fauj. In 1942, he earned the title Netaji in Germany from the Indian soldiers of the Azad Hind Fauj. He had launched a struggle to free India from British rule under the banner of the Provisional Government in Exile during the latter part of the Second World War. Bose is credited with the very famous slogan, "Give me blood and I shall give you freedom," as well as Jai Hind. He is also credited to be the first man to call Mahatma Gandhi father of the nation in his address from Singapore.